It's a mystery box. Ooh. I wonder what's inside. Can you guess? Let's shake it first. It sounds like there's a lot of stuff inside. And look how big it is. I still can't figure it out. But I'm too excited and I love surprises, so I'm gonna open it up. You ready? Let's try it. Wow, it's a slime kit! And another slime kit! And all the jewels and beads to put inside. This is so cool, kids. I can't wait! So let's get started because I'm excited. My first one I'm gonna pick is the color pink. That's my favorite one. So let's try. Let's pull it out of here. Whoa, you feel that? That's cool. Okay, let's add some fun stuff to it. Let's roll it like that and squish it. Yeah, that's so cool. Now let's add some. Let me guess. Ooh, look at these. These are all different colored jewels. Those are really cool. So I'm gonna add it into my slime. That's cool. Let's do a new color. Let's do, next one is the blue. The more you work it, the more stretchy it gets and the more fun you can have with it. So let's work it first. Yeah, stretch it and squeeze it like that. And let's roll it. Now, what do you think we should put in this one? I think we should put glitter. Now we got different colors of glitter. So let's see, we have all these colors. I think with the blue, let's put the gold color in. That's a cool one. Wow, that's nice. Okay, we're gonna fold the slime so the glitter doesn't escape. Yeah. And keep working it. Oh, that's pretty. Look at that color. It changed now. That feels really cool in your hands, doesn't it? Yeah. Let's see, you know what? I have a good idea. Why don't we cut it up? Look, like these little pieces. That's cute. Look at that. How many pieces do we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's cute. Now let's squeeze them all together again. I like this one. Let's see. I can't see you. Whoa, there you are. Let's stretch it. Whoa, here we go. It's nice and long. It's a big one. It's like a pizza. This is how you stretch your pizza out? Okay, whoa. Let's use orange now. That's a nice color orange, isn't it? Yeah. Now, we're gonna add a couple little things to it. We're gonna add some, we have here, we have these cute little fruits to add inside. We're gonna add some fruits in this orange one. First, let's squish it down. I wanna show you something. Roll it like a ball like that. And then we can make a handprint in it too. If you squish it, there's my hand. That's cool. Now let's add our little fruits to it. I can't wait to try this. I'm not sure if it's gonna work, but let's try it together. We're gonna add a straw in here. And make sure all the edges are around it, so there's no air. And let's see if this works. Ready? I made a slime bubble. Let's do it again. That was fun. That's a bigger one. That's cool. Whoa, I like that one. That was fun. So much fun making slime with you today and opening our first mystery box. Remember kids, it's me, DeeDee, and subscribe to my channel. See you next time. Bye.